To subset data frame rows, we primarily use .loc and iloc. .loc performs label-based indexing. You select rows using their actual index labels.
For example, !df.loc, specific_label, ordf.loc, start_label, end_label. For ranges, iloc handles integer location-based indexing. Here, you use row numbers, starting from 0. Just like Python lists.
Think df, iloc, 0, for the first row, or df, iloc, 0 to 5, for a range. Historically, X combined both .loc and iloc functionality, attempting label then integer access. For a practical demonstration, we'll now load Seaborn's tips dataset.
This example begins by loading the tips dataset from the Seaborn library, providing a standard Pandas data frame for demonstration. It then prints the head of the data frame to show its initial structure, including its default integer index. This setup ensures a clean environment to illustrate the different row subsetting methods.
The first section demonstrates .loc, which is used for label-based indexing. It shows how to select a single row by its index label. E.g., df.loc, 0, multiple rows using a list of labels. E.g., df.loc, 1, 3, 5, and a range of rows via label-based slicing. E.g., df.loc, 10, 12. Crucially, when slicing with .loc, both the start and end labels are inclusive. The second section illustrates iloc, which is designed for integer location-based indexing. This part covers selecting a single row by its absolute integer position. E.g., df, iloc, 0, multiple rows using a list of integer positions. E.g., df, iloc, 1, 3, 5, and a slice of rows based on their integer positions. E.g., df, iloc, 10, 12. Unlike .loc, slicing with iloc is exclusive of the end position, mirroring standard Python list slicing.